Okay, today we're here at Castle Park for Duke's Very Merry Village, which is what they call their Christmas event. So this is actually the first day, but we're not going to stay the whole day. We're just going to review the two boxes that they have. So they have a sweet and a savory box, and this is the sweet box from Duke's Frying Factory, $14.99, and it's let's see. It's got Mini Churros, which I think are these, Peppermint Oreos, which are these, and then the Pretzel Bites, which are these. So let me see. Let me try the one on top first so I can take it off. Okay. So these are really tiny, and they are covered with like cinnamon sugar. Lots of cinnamon though. It's more brown than anything. Oh, these are really good. They're just sweet enough. Okay, and then well, let me see. This one's kind of melting here. These are the peppermint Oreos. You can see the little piece of peppermint they put on top. There's the Oreo. Oh! And then give you some whipped cream to put on top. In case you didn't know, Oreos get very they're not too crunchy anymore. They're very soft when they get fried, deep fried. Put more peppermint on there. Oh, those are really good too. Very chocolatey because of the Oreo. A little bit pepperminty. These are little peppermint, ground up peppermint. Oh yeah, just the peppermint. Then it's very pepperminty. Gets a little lost when it's on the Oreo itself. And then this is mini churros. Wow, these are really fat churros. Oh, and they're hot. And they've got I think just regular sugar. That might be powdered sugar, actually. I think it's gotten a little soaked in a little bit to the the oil of the thing, so it looks like regular sugar. And then there's a drizzle, probably strawberry or raspberry or something. Let me try it. But look, it looks like there's something inside the. Oh, maybe it's a churro wrapped in what do you call it? The funnel cake. So I think there's a churro, and then they dunk the churro into the funnel cake batter, and then they deep fry it again. So it's like double carb. Here comes the train behind me. Wondering why it was so thick and why it didn't look like a churro. That is interesting. I've never seen that before. So I think this box was well worth it. You get 3 different desserts. You get 3 of these, 3 of the Oreos, and then you get 5 of the little mini pretzel bites. And it's only $14.99. So you could share this, with your whole family. You just get a little bit of everything. So let's see. I'm gonna give this one an A. It's well made, and this is something I've never seen before. So, anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm gonna take another bite. I'll see you in the next one.